Global Industrial Model 641265 Auto Floor Scrubber Quick Start Guide. This video guide will help get your floor scrubber set up and running quickly. Review the complete instruction manual included with your floor scrubber. Cut away the plastic wrapping and poly banding from the outer carton. Remove staples at base and lift the carton over the floor scrubber. Cut tape and remove wrapping from machine. Remove the wood chocks and wheel strapping on both sides. Lower the built-in pallet ramp and check for clearance prior to machine roll-off. Step on the rear pedal to raise the front pad driver and lift rear handle to raise squeegee assembly. Carefully roll the floor scrubber off the shipping pallet and down the ramp. Loosen both black knobs on the squeegee assembly and place at the rear of the machine. Align the knobs with the slots on the machine to install squeegee assembly. Once installed, tighten both knobs and connect the vacuum hose to the center. Remove the instructions, keys, and cables from the recovery tank. Release the recovery tank latches and lift to access the battery compartment. Refer to the wiring diagram illustrating the proper connections. Connect red ring terminals to positive posts and black ring terminals to negative posts according to the diagram. Complete the wiring setup by connecting the battery plug to the power plug. Use the included charger to fully charge batteries. Disconnect the battery plug from the power plug. Now, connect the battery plug to the charger plug. Test the GFCI breaker by first pressing the reset button, the test button, and then the reset button once again. During a charging cycle, keep the battery compartment open. The solid yellow light will illuminate and indicates normal charging. Remove the cap and fill the water tank with clean water and the proper cleaning solution. Check the water level gauge to avoid overfilling. Turn the yellow water valve to the horizontal open position to allow water flow. Install the correct type of scrubbing pad based on your floor care and scrubbing needs. 2 pad drivers are included and pre-installed, scrubbing pads sold separately. Insert the key and turn to the on position. Lower the pad driver to the floor by disengaging the rear pedal. Lower the squeegee to the floor by lowering the rear control handle. Set the desired machine speed with the control knob. Grip the control levers to engage forward traction drive. Push the control levers forward for reverse drive motion. Your auto floor scrubber is now prepared and ready for operation.